After my mom and I were the first two members of the family to be fully vaccinated, I took my first flight to meet up with her for a little Texas road trip. Join us as we road trip north from the southern tip of Texas. In this week's video, I spend one last night in Texas getting just a taste of South Padre Island. So normally I come to South Padre Island during the wintertime around Christmas when I come visit my family. And it's always a great time to visit because it's not too crowded. The water's still warm. The weather is just perfect. It's not too cold, not too hot. But because of the pandemic, I wasn't able to come for Christmas this year. And now I'm fully vaccinated and I've come to visit my mom who's also fully vaccinated. And it is April, springtime, when people are starting to go for spring break and enjoy the beach, so I'm wondering how crowded it will really be. We just checked into our hotel and the pool looked pretty crowded, so we'll see how bad the beach is. I hope it's not too crowded because I just want to enjoy some peace on the beach and just get a little relaxation before I have to fly back to New York City. Good morning. I'm spending my last day in Texas catching the sunrise on this really foggy beach, but it's free of people. I have my coffee, I have time to think, clear my head a little from everything that I'm worried that's going to happen, everything I'm worried that happened already, and just be here in the moment and breathe.